Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Audacity for AI noise gate settings, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open Audacity on your computer. Create a new project by clicking on File and then New. Select the audio track you want to edit. Navigate to the Effect menu at the top of the screen. From the drop-down, choose Noise Gate. This will open the Noise Gate settings window. Start by examining the input and output levels of your audio. Adjust the gate threshold slider to determine the level at which the noise gate activates. A good starting point is around -20 decibels. Listen to a sample of your audio while adjusting this slider. Next, set the attack time to control how quickly the gate opens. An attack time of around 5 to 10 milliseconds works well for most recordings. Now, adjust the release time setting. This controls how slowly the gate closes after the sound drops below the threshold. A release time between 50 and 100 milliseconds is generally effective. Next, look at the hysteresis setting. Hysteresis prevents the gate from constantly opening and closing, adding stability. A value between 5 to 10 decibels is appropriate for beginners. Once you've adjusted these parameters, click OK to apply the noise gate. Listen to your audio after applying the effect to check for improvements. If adjustments are needed, repeat the process to refine your settings. Make sure to save your project regularly to avoid losing progress. Once satisfied with the results, you can proceed with further editing or export your audio. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.